Hi everyone, so this is week 4 interactive concept. So we're doing the fireproof balloon. I'm going to play the video and then I'll talk about what happened there. Well, basically we're gonna have two balloons. One that's filled with water and the other one that's filled with only air. So what happens is that when we hold the balloon that's filled with only air over the flame, then the heat applied to the material melts the balloon and creates a weak spot. Then the air pushes on the melted spot and the balloon pops. Now, if we hold the balloon that's filled with water over a flame, then what happens is that the water absorbs the heat and that stops the balloon from melting. Consequently, the balloon doesn't pop. That's about it. So we can see there that when we put the balloon over the flame that is directly under the water, or we put the flame directly over the under the water, it doesn't pop. That's it.